Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious.
Hi guys, this is Tandag City in Surigao del Sur. So we're going to Laswitan, and now we are here to buy. This is the way we do barbecue in the Philippines. It's the charcoal. Now we finished. Tara na.
Around and then I remember all things must pass.
Hi guys, we're here in Laswitan. So this is the entrance of Laswitan and Surigao del Sur. So we are passed by Tandag. So this is Cortes, Surigao del Sur. This is the main entrance. We have to leave our car there, and then they have a shuttle going down. So the entrance fee is 65 pesos. So that's included the shuttle. The girl says that there is no laswit. It means a splash. So laswit, it means a splash. There is no splash this time because it's low tide. It will become splashy. The wave becomes splashy when it's high tide. So let's see. And this is my first time again here in Laswitan. I have so much first time in the Philippines. Here in the Philippines, you have to wear umbrella. You have to use umbrella when it's sunny to protect your skin. This is the shuttle.
Hi guys. Hi. We are on our way to...
This is the main entrance going to Laswitan, and there are 162 steps. The oceans are so blue, so we are in the Pacific Ocean. Typhoon just passed by, so we are expecting that there is a big waves. Look at that. Now we just reached the bottom. Have a nice cottage also here. So we have to have our lunch first before we start. Look guys, this is chicken intestine. I just finished my lunch and now I have to go for a walk. Now you can take a picture up to here because at this side the current is so strong, so you cannot go there. Yeah, I can climb here, over there at the background here. So you can swim at this lagoon, but I think there are some parts that it's a little bit deep. Deep under kuya. This is the end here. I'm gonna go back into the main lagoon. It's nice, it's splashy, but you cannot go there to swim. The current is so strong. Now I'm going back to the other side. Let's go. Wow! So now we're going on top. I don't know if we can do the overview. It's difficult to see, but it's easy. Ay, ay, ay. Now I'm on top. I can see the ocean. See guys? I reached the flag. Wow! The laswit. Whoa! The laswit. Guys, I'm now sweating. It's too hot in here. I'm staying here for a while already. So now it's time for me to go down. Wow! Now I have to go for a swim and wait for the laswit. Look at guys, shell. Look, they have a shell here. Oh my god! I don't know how to swim. That's scary. Look guys. This is salty because this is from the ocean. Look the water level. It's a little bit deep now. So I think I only have to stay here. Laom, Jill? Chay, nalagi ka din na, Chay. Di man kakakabalo mo lang, oy.
Nasubay ko sa pisi.
Nana. O, sige. Ready, get set, go. My God.
Allow me no.
Dirira ko mo lingkod. Lingkod ra ko.
me.
Yeah! Oh my God! Oh my God, finally!
See clear through the smoke you created. I feel my feet on the ground and they're shaking. How am I supposed to save the situation? Why the steps getting wasted even though we feel the same? Would you hug me in the dark? Let the worries go away. Would you do it all again? Do it all again?
Oh my God, guys, that's a very nice experience. I never expect that to happen.
Hey guys, channel is time of vlog. Bye bye.
My home is you. My home is you. My home is you. My home is you.
Wow! Again for the second time! Wow! It's less. Okay guys, we have to leave this place. Such a beautiful experience here, and we're so lucky to came here today, which is there's a laswit, there's a splash from this Pacific Ocean. It's almost from there. It's a beautiful experience. Thank you, Laswitan, for an amazing experience. Quite far, but it's fun. Say hi, guys.
Hi.